Hey friends, Karen Campbell here. Today, let's talk about how to build the math bridge from school to home. A couple of quick ideas that I have for you today. One is find some online resources that you can do with your child that builds math. There are so many math games out there ready to be played. Grab a math workbook. I know that when we traveled, my daughter would love to do math workbooks in the car when we travel. Think about an area in your house that you could make your math space or your homework space. Maybe the a certain part on the couch or somewhere in the dining room. Something else is grab some objects at home that they can manipulate. Coins, measuring cups, anything mathematical and counting or measuring or weighing. And one last thing is incorporate math into daily routines. When you get out of the car, count how many steps it takes to get in the door. All of these are going to help build that foundation and it's going to help bridge that math gap that might be from home to school. So check out more at Math with Karen. And remember, math is the only subject that counts.